to this quick start tutorial centered around utilizing a headless WordPress setup and incorporating it with your React framework. This is a live example of what we'll be creating, hosted on Heroku. We will be using the Frontity framework to connect our WordPress content with our React front end. Frontity allows for very quick connection with already produced WordPress content and makes it very easy to add and edit React components to update the look and functionality of your app. We will first be setting up a local development environment with the help of Bitnami, which will give us both a WordPress instance and the required phpMyAdmin database running locally on our system. We will also be creating a free WordPress.com blog to utilize when we deploy a live instance of our app onto Heroku. So in the next video, we will get started on setting up our local development environment and getting our Frontity framework code up and running on our system.